Okay. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go!
What's up, everybody? Today I'm back at Black Ops Airsoft. The first mission of the day is Black Hawk Down, which is easily the most common mission I've seen in my 2.5 years of airsofting at this field. Our team has to move the pilot, located at the helicopter here, back to our respawn base. In order to avoid an immediate firefight, myself and about half of our team move through the forest to flank the opposing enemy team from the south.
You two with me, you two go on that side.
We end up splitting our forces on opposite riverbanks to avoid getting hit all at once in case we run into an enemy squad.
Careful, man.
For this mission, I'm running my upgraded Well MB-13 sniper rifle and my trusty Elite Force Glock 19. I plan on using the edge of the forest as concealment to engage enemies at long range.
Check my left. You check my left.
All right.
Okay, there's a guy in the doorway there.
Our squad is located at a new set of enclosed buildings here. Unfortunately, we're pinned by enemies from the north and the west, so it's difficult to maneuver forward.
Okay, there's branches in the way, I can't get it, come on. Okay, there's a guy in the window. You got my left covered?
Yeah, I got it over here.
Green.
Green. There was a guy in there a while ago.
Come on, boys.
Nothing. This guy's just trying to raid me.
Hey, what do you guys see? How do you know me? Who are you?
All right,
Hey, team over here. Almost there. Push it forward. Copy.
get up here.
Roger that.
1, 2, 3. Oh, they're 10. Move over. That dead end. Shit.
My bad, bud.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good. Okay, you see that tan building? That brown building right there? There's 2 guys behind it, okay? So we gotta run in there. I need one of you to stay here and cover them, or 2 of you to stay here and cover them while we run, okay? Heads up! You see the woods? I'm gonna go in there, okay?
Alright, come
One of you with me, okay? 2 of you stay here and suppress.
Hold on. Let me get in front of you so we can
Get in
cover
front of me. 1, 2, 3.
Yo, keep my tunnel.
Yes, sir.
Don't take objective.
Roger.
Go.
All right, I'm going to cover. You 2 suppress. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. You run.
Oh!
Notice that I completely forget to check the left side of the road here.
Ah, hit.
Well, that guy was definitely not outside his 50-foot minimum engagement distance. Oh well. In this game mode, our team has to guard a pallet located at this building called the Bank. I decide to use the forest to flank the enemy force from the south. I find about half a dozen enemies while moving through the tunnel system, but seeing as I'm running only my Glock, I cannot risk engaging them and exposing myself immediately. Even though it's cool outside, it's very humid and my goggles were constantly fogging up.
You see all them? They're all tan. Okay. Let me go in the I don't see him. Shit.
Were they like right there?
There's a guy over there. Watch out. We got to go up. I can't see anything from here. Okay, you see that guy behind the building with the flag? Gotcha. Good. You want to go back and try and flank around the woods? Yeah. All right, come on.
Like we planned a minute ago, we slowly make our way around the field, through the woods, while trying not to expose our position.
You're right? Yeah. Gotcha. Shh. Hold.
we could get even further behind them?
Huh?
Think we could get even further behind them?
Yeah, come on.
To avoid exposing ourselves to the clearing in the forest that meets up with the town straight ahead, we decide to flank from further behind.
Good shot.
Yeah, see, I shot the gun.
Thank you. Sorry about that. Hey, slow down. Hit. Hit. Did I not get you?
What? Let's check that out.
All right, good shot.
I'm already hit.
Whatever. I'll give the benefit of the doubt. With that, that's all I've got for today's video. As always, my gear recommendation for today are Oakley M-frame shooting glasses, and my music recommendation for today is Appalachian Spring by Aaron Copeland. You can find links for both on the cards here or in the description below. Anyway, thanks a lot to you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.